Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this tutorial we'll learn how to create a gallery using Beaver Builder. So you can see we already installed our Beaver Builder plugin and themes, and now we're going to create a gallery using Beaver Builder. So in that case, just click on wherever you just add your gallery section, just go to that page, and after that click on Beaver Builder option at the top of admin panel. Okay, so I'm just clicking Beaver Builder option here. Now you can see our Beaver Builder editor has been opened up, and at the right side top you can see the plus symbol. Okay, so once we click on plus symbol, you can see there are multiple modules or opening. Yeah, now you can see the gallery, right? The right side you can see the gallery option. So before add a gallery, always create a row first. So I'm just adding a row first, and inside the row we will add our gallery section. So go to modules again and click, just drag and drop your gallery section like this. Okay, so once you add your gallery row, you can see these kind of things: layout, what kind of layout you would like to add, actually thumbs and collage. So as of now I'm just selecting collage, and here you can see the media source. Okay, media library, just add photos, click on photos, add photos, and then upload, then just select the pictures you would like to display as a gallery. So okay, so I am selecting these pictures and then add to gallery. You can add your caption as well, like this: caption 1, caption 2. So like this you can add your caption as well for the images. And once you add your caption, just click update gallery, and then you can see there 18 photos has been selected as a gallery, right? You can see all of these photos. You can choose as a thumbs. Once you choose a thumbs, it will be little smaller. Now you can see it's little smaller. Okay, and then so the caption, if you would like to display your caption, you can below the photo, or you can see the caption. As I added caption for these two photos only, that's why the two captions are appearing. If you would like to display your caption on hover, you can choose on hover. So once you hover your image, your caption will be displayed. Okay, click action, you can none, and photos link. Okay, here you can see there are three options actually: never, on hover, and below photo. This is for caption, and the click actions would be for 3 as well: none, lightbox, and photo link. So once you choose lightbox, let's see what is happening. Okay, just save and done. After that, publish. So as I selected a lightbox, once you click on this image, it should be open up in a lightbox. Now you can see. Okay, suppose you would like to redirect to another website or another link once you click on this image. In that case, you need to choose, go to your Beaver Builder option again, and go to your gallery, edit, and then you just need to choose a photo link. Okay, photo link. Okay, that means if you edit your gallery, You can see this kind of captions over there, but the photo link should be. Now how you can add your photo link? Okay, let's see. That means just done, publish. Photo links means once you click on this picture, the photo, this picture should be open up in a new tab like this. Yeah, new. Okay, you can see only the photo will be displayed. So always we use as a standard process, we will choose a light box. That is great for all of us. So I'm just selecting click action should be light box, and if you don't like to add a light box, then just choose none. Okay, so as of now I'm just selecting light box. Okay, after that you can see the style as well. Photo spacing, it's 20. If you add, you can add more spacing like this, 25. Okay, you can see now it's 25, but 20 is fine as of now. Okay, and advanced setting, in the advanced setting you can add your margin top, margin left, margin right, margin bottom, and margin left. Whatever you need you can, and then save the changes and done, publish. So here you can see this is a gallery option. We can easily add our gallery section on our Beaver Builder website. I hope this tutorial will help you to create a gallery option on your website if you using Beaver Builder. Okay, that's it. Thank you. In our next tutorial we will discuss more about Beaver Builder. Till then, take care and bye bye.